judgment. I'm bound by my own judgment.
No, well, I am not
I'm
saying
also bound by.
I am not saying your lordship.
judgment.
I am not saying that your lordship. Unfortunate parents are coming before your lordship. The sections do not help. The High Court has passed the similar order. Unfortunate parents. Now, my lord,
Son and daughter-in-law.
son and daughter-in-law. My lord, now, my lord, kindly, my lord, if your lordship will kindly take trouble to look
What
at.
do you want?
My lord, I want, my lord, I want to stay my property peacefully. That is my prayer. My lord, the thing is that you will kindly see, my lord, I
Your
approach.
son and daughter-in-law is also residing in the same house.
That is why, until and unless they've been ousted, I cannot be. My lord,
Ousted.
my lord, one
The
thing.
writ
my
court
lord.
cannot.
If your lordship will kindly take trouble to look at one's order of your High Court or High Court.
Order of
High Court.
High Court says son and daughter-in-law will be ousted.
See, my lord.
There are conflicting judgments, my lord.
Page 3, my lord. Hence, this
Where is the division bench judgment?
division bench, respect of Kalpana Dam, this is Justice
I
Dipankar.
do not recollect the cost title.
Justice,
Give me the division bench judgment.
my lord, I have to give one day time, my lord, I will come with that. My lord, this judgment and another aspect, my lord, if your lordship will kindly see, section 24 of the Act outs the jurisdiction of the civil court.
Approach the.
That is the difficulty. If you will see, the only provision is section 23. Kindly one see, my lord.
Section 23.
Yes. There, that provision says, if I have made a gift, then I have right. So here I don't have made any gift. The difficulty is, if you lordship will see, there is a lacuna. 23 says, if I will make a gift, I can cancel before the executive magistrate. 24(7) outs the jurisdiction.
Where is your complaint?
Yes, my lord. My lord, I approached to the local police station. Police station not only heard me, contrary supported my son. I approached to the commissioner of police. That is page 30, my lord. And my lord, the kindly see page 29 once. I was assaulted.
Daughter-in-law is putting pressure upon you to transfer the property in their.
Yes, that's the I am not doing. Assaulted day by day. And my lord, one thing.
Have you served?
Yes, my lord. Earlier, even my lord, I have to furnish the bond because my son
What
filed.
is your prayer in this writ petition?
Yes, my lord. Kindly take table to look at peacefully. That
But
is
eviction you have not prayed for.
that is the ultimate eviction. There is no consequence otherwise, my lord.
Very cleverly drafted relief portion.
Kindly see, my lord, where it's
Cleverly
it's not
drafted
about
relief.
drafting. It's
Relief.
about, my lord, one unfortunate parents are coming before your lordship. The sections do not help. The High Court has passed the similar order. Our High Court has passed the
Division bench. I want to see the division bench.
then I have to take one day time. I will
And
come.
bring my judgment also on this issue. I have also delivered a judgment. I'm bound by my own judgment.
No, well, I am not
I'm
saying.
also bound by.
I am not saying your
lordship.
lordship. I am not saying that your lordship is bound by this. I never submitted that. I just placed this is what I have. And
That is why I'm asking you. Give the contrary judgments also.
May I make
And the division bench judgment.
where I will go, my lord. Kindly consider where I will go. Where will I go? Kindly suggest me, my lord, where.
That is, you have to advise your client.
Well, the section says this. Even, my lord, the petition. If I will file a petition before the maintenance tribunal, they will not accept my petition.
May I make
Yes. What steps have you taken with regard to the torture and other things?
there is a prayer that they want to live peacefully in the house, my lord. Let there be a direction upon the police to keep a vigil and to see that.
So the complaint, what steps have
senior
you taken on the
citizens are
basis?
My
What
lord,
steps have you taken on
my lord,
pursuant to this complaint?
we have issued a 126, my lord, of the new act, my lord, BNSS Act, my lord, that is under process, my lord.
When they will go and furnish a bond, that's part of. Police has never visited in my house once, my lord.
Upon the police to see that the senior citizens are not physically assaulted or abused, my lord. In the meantime, if they lodge any complaint with the police against the son and the daughter-in-law,
That has been made. Complaint has been made.
we will keep a vigil on over the property.
Not only vigil.
See the senior citizen safety is there.
Does it not disclose a cognizable offense? Page 30.
But the thing is that,
I'm asking you, does this complaint disclose cognizable offense? Yes or no?
my lord, But
You
with the
take steps.
assault, my lord, whether they have filed any medical report or not, my lord.
Yes,
Yes.
It's page
There, but I do
29.
not-
Page 29.
There. Then certainly there has to be a there has to be an
So
FIR.
you take steps on the basis of this
Will on
complaint.
the basis of this complaint.
Ashok.
My lord, one thing, my lord.
The
May I just 1 minute, my lord. Well, in the Kolkata jurisdiction, there is a organization called Ponam, but apart from Kolkata, there is no such like an institution for the protection of the senior citizen. In Kolkata jurisdiction, there is a Ponam.
That is because the numbers of the police force in the rural areas
And my
are
lord,
very.
it further appears that the petitioner has lodged a complaint before the police authorities vide a letter dated Inspector in charge Domdom Police Station, being the fourth respondent, is directed to consider the complaint lodged by the petitioner vide letter dated August 2, 2024, and upon going through the same, if in his opinion the complaint discloses a cognizable offense, comma, FIR is to be registered forthwith. Full stop. If the said authority decides against lodging of a first information report, comma, reasons therefore are to be communicated to the petitioner immediately thereafter, and it will be open to the petitioner to take steps accordingly. Full stop. Insofar as the submission of the learned advocate for the petitioner that the writ court can direct eviction of a private party from from a immovable property, comma, this court is of the view that the writ court, this court is of the view that a writ petition at the instance of a private party for eviction of a person who does not fall within the definition of Article 12 of the Constitution of India can be evicted from an immovable property. Full stop. It is the competent civil court who has to consider the respective rights of the parties and to decide as to whether an order for eviction is to be passed.